Transform your living room into the ultimate entertainment hub by getting the YouTube app on your LG Smart TV in just a few simple steps. First things first, grab your LG Smart TV remote. You'll want to press the home button. This will bring up your TV's main dashboard where you can access all your apps and settings. Once you're on the dashboard, look for an icon that says LG Content Store or simply Content Store. It usually looks like a shopping bag or a colorful App Store icon. Select that to enter the app marketplace. Now that you're in the LG Content Store, you should see a search bar or a search icon, often represented by a magnifying glass. Click on it to begin your search. Using your remote's on-screen keyboard, carefully type in YouTube. As you type, you'll likely see suggestions appear. Look for the official YouTube app in the search results. Once you've found the YouTube app, select it. This will take you to its dedicated page where you can see its details, ratings, and a description. Look for a prominent button that says Install or Get App. Press the Install button, and your TV will start downloading and installing the YouTube application automatically. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much has been completed. Once the installation is finished, the YouTube app icon will appear on your LG TV's home screen, usually in the main app bar or in a dedicated apps section. Click on it to launch the app. And there you have it. The YouTube app is now installed on your LG Smart TV, ready for you to dive into endless hours of videos, your favorite channels, and all the content you love. Enjoy.